Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to heal your character's health on the Far Cry 5 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry 5 game on your device, and once you open it up, you can resume playing from your last save, or you can also start playing a new game if you wish. Now, whenever you are playing your game, whenever your character gets injured, you can heal them by using med packs that you can buy as well as build within the game. So whenever your character is injured, you can simply press and hold the control button. However, if you don't have any health packs available, then your character will not heal. So you can simply go into any shop and tap on the R button and now choose items in order to buy health packs. You can buy at least 3 first aid kits and carry it within your bag. Once you have enough medkits within your inventory, you will now be able to heal your injuries by simply tapping on the control button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to heal your player's health on the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.